we also have to bleed over here, and it's an Allen key of 5. We're gonna open it, hopefully, crack. And then you see, yes, there's a lot of air coming out. Okay, wow. Okay, so open it, close. Wow, works great. Okay, brake is rock hard, which is good. At least they say. Then clean this one, plus there is this pop up. Up. Now, wow, absolute. So I'm sure it wasn't opened for quite a while. Now the brake is sturdy. We have to fill it. In the glass over here, you got a round thing each. You have to fill it until there, and that's okay. Okay. Yep. Already cleaned the diaphragm. Moeilijk woord. Put it on top. Then we have the lid. Slide it on top too. Then we have the 2 screws, and I always put them in with grease, otherwise they might start to rust. Up. Okay. Phillips screwdriver, bit in, other one also bit in, yep, up, 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 yes. Sure, it's all cleaned, which it is, nice, hop, hop. Of course, we're going to put the brake lever back onto its original position, and this one is absolutely not good. So, okay, so wait a minute. I think personally I think this one is alright, but that one is way too high. See? I'm gonna do something about that. Allen socket of, let's see, 5. Yeah, needs to go underneath it, so let's do that first. Okay. Carefully. To get the cable over there, we need one of these. Gently slide it over here, and then we can see and get the cable out. Easy. Then we're going back to the handle. And I'm sure this is a much better position as this. First thing we're gonna do is, the guy mounted these hand protections by himself, and he put the cable above this bracket, and to get the handle the right way, this clutch lever, it needed to be underneath. But now it's off anyway. Gonna put some oil in the cable. Okay, wait a minute. We'll put it over there. Yes. Oh. No. Okay. Meanwhile, we get the lever off, clean it, and give it a good grease. Let's see. Okay, there is a 10mm nut underneath. Okay. Screwdriver. It's bone dry. Not good. At least not for me. So now we can take, oops, be careful. We're gonna clean, there was this washer, and we're gonna clean this with a bit of petrol. So we're going to clean this part with some petrol too. It was bone dry. Okay, this is clean. Then screw this one out. Okay. This one out. And we give this a clean, and we grease it too. Now, drop of oil. I'm gonna give this a drop of oil again. Okay. clean this one, and now I'm gonna give it even kijken, oops, bit of this, a bit of grease. This is EP grease, EP2, extra pressure as they call it. What I always like to do is inside there. It's where this rubs. So, kijk nou, better do it over here. So, hop. Then, so, we're gonna screw this one in. Hop. So, okay. Yes. Then we have to align the slits together with the slit in the handle. Then, next, okay, clean the handle. I oiled carefully all the rotating points, so now watch, it's good. In here is this strange bushing. I don't think this is the original handle lever, but now first we gave this a wipe of grease in there, and then we put our wonderful bushing thing. Okay, then over here too, pop pop pop, there, and in there too. That's where this one goes. Wait a minute. This up and there. We gave that all a good dab of grease. And now we have to turn this underneath this bracket. So, like this. Hopefully that works. I'm sure it will. Up. Give this one a good grease to up over there and over there. And then up, up, up. We get this one, carefully slide it on, and see, up, it's already there. This is, we have to give this a quick, now we're here, we're gonna give that rotating point just a bit of oil too. So now let's see, this now looks if it there. So it's already starting to rust. I hate it. So put some oil onto it. So now we're gonna hook the handle onto the cable like this, rotate it a bit, put that special wait a minute, up. I'm gonna give this a good dab of my special grease too. And then we have to so here, like this now. Okay, the nut on this side. Yep. So up tight, but not too tight. Now let's see. Think. So, I think this is the right play. Then this one. Okay. Now we can back to the position that it's good. Watch like this. That's nice. Okay, now tight, but not too tight. Oh, that's much better. Wow.